So this roundabout, turn left, fast exit. So which gear do you think?
P2.
Gear 1. Gear 1. You need to stop at the roundabout. This one is give way control roundabout. That's why. Yeah. Now, if you see safe, no one's coming, then you can go. You can go. So no one's coming right inside. So this one. So if you see no one's coming, you don't need to wait. If you see someone coming, then you have to wait. And which gear? Fourth gear. Mile speed. Okay, this is the Gangsil roundabout. So slow down fast before approaching the roundabout. Slow down, and you can see the sign clearly. Sign. We are going straight ahead. Newbury Park. So second exit. We are going this roundabout, second exit. Gear 1 is fine. Biting. You have a space, you can go. So after crossing you have a space, so go for a little bit. Yeah. So this time if you are little bit close to the car, no problem, go a little bit forward. Make sure don't block the crossing. Now you are little bit close to the car, it's no problem.
Okay.
Not too close, but this much is okay. So which way we are going? Straight ahead.
Straight ahead.
Second exit, yeah? So if you are going second exit, which lane you use?
Left lane.
Left lane. Good. Check right, check left. Now you indicate left. Change gear, second gear now. This one the mini roundabout. So mini roundabout straight ahead. Then we find the red big roundabout. So this roundabout going straight ahead. Sign for Central London Stratford.
স্ট্রেট চলে যাব।
Yes. Keep going. Don't block the box junction. So this is the big roundabout. Anyone coming from right, you have to give way to them. But anyone waiting right hand side, then you can enter, no problem. Go a little bit forward. Use the middle lane, not all the way right lane. Go now. Check again. Wait. Yeah. Keep going. Check right again.
এই লেনে যাব না?
Both lane is okay. Check right again. You can use this lane is
This
also
lane,
no
yeah.
problem. Slowly close to the right lane.
আপনি কি বলতেছেন পরে এইটাই সুইচ করতে?
No, same lane you can use. Also you can use right lane. So you are using the left lane, no problem.
ফার্স্ট এক্সিট, সেকেন্ড এক্সিট নেব?
We are going third exit.
Third exit.
So go now. Slowly. Stay very close to the right lane. like this. Yeah, check right, fast, check right. Yeah, very nice. Continue, light control. No one's coming from left side. Increase your speed. Stay in the left lane. After this exit, you can give signal. This roundabout we are going straight ahead. Third exit. Straight ahead, third exit. Which lane you use? Stay in the left lane. Left lane. Yeah, left lane. Straight ahead, always left lane. So someone going this way, so you can go now. Slow down 10 mile speed or 15 mile speed. Yeah, fast exit. Second exit, we are going third exit. Now left signal, mirror check, and both side check. Okay, next roundabout, turn left, fast exit, please. This one also give you a control roundabout. Turn left, fast exit. Approaching roundabout, 10 mile speed, not fast. 10 mile speed and stay in the left side. Okay? Anyone coming from right, wait. So people coming from right, another one coming. If you go fast, it's okay. But this one not okay. You need to little bit faster. Okay, so now we are approaching this roundabout, Green Man roundabout. Yeah, people call Green Man roundabout. This roundabout we are turning left, second exit. So turning left, which lane you use? Left lane. Can you close your window, please? Okay, so you are using left lane to turn left, second exit. Okay. So when you see the green light, you don't need to check right. Only light control roundabout, you don't need to check right. So you are staying the left lane, you cancel signal, you not give signal, because when you take exit, then you can give signal. Stay in the left lane or right lane. Which lane? Left lane. And after this exit, then you can give signal now. Now you can give signal.
Left lane.
Yeah, left signal, because you are taking exit. So check into mirror and right door mirror, also left door mirror, because maybe someone behind you, maybe someone overtaking you, and left side maybe any cyclist and pedestrian. Now after that, when you pass your second exit, you can join the dual carriageway. When you start dual carriageway, you need to build up your speed now, because road is 40 mile speed. If you not build up your speed, you can't join. So check right door mirror, right signal, and join. Thank you. Then after joining, what will do? Cancel your signal. Thank you. Okay, so another roundabout coming, Red Bridge roundabout. Okay, this one also one state driving test route. They are using this roundabout, and this roundabout we are taking second exit. Okay, second exit this roundabout.
Gangsil one.
Yeah, Gangsil one. Third exit. So stay in the left lane.
This lane.
Yeah, stay in the left lane. If you are going straight ahead, you need to stay in the left lane or middle lane. You can use middle lane, you can use left lane. So left lane is best, because you are going straight ahead. So light control roundabout, you don't need to
Signal.
don't need to wait after change light. So when you see the green light, you can enter the roundabout, and inside the roundabout you can keep your speed maximum 15 mile. So if you are slow down, easily you can changing lane. So which lane you use?
Left lane.
Left lane. And how much speed you need?
15 minimum.
15 mile is very good for you. So you pass fast exit,
Yeah.
and still you are staying in the left lane, and middle of the roundabout another traffic light, maybe this traffic light change. So into mirror check, in case light change, then you need to stop. This is the second exit. You are going which exit? You are going third exit. So
okay.
after this, now you can give signal. And inside the roundabout, never ever going to more than 15. If you are going more than 15, then you can't control, because when you turn roundabout turning, your wheel bend. So you need to careful more. So how much this road is speed? 40. Okay. Before approaching roundabout, you need to slow down. You need to slow down, because here is the traffic light. So this roundabout taking first exit left.
First exit.
Yeah, first exit left. First exit left, this roundabout. So first exit left, if you are going, you need to signal about 5 car length before. Okay? And also this one light control roundabout, so you don't need to check right. If you enter in the give way and control roundabout, you need to pass anyone coming from your right, and anyone coming from right, any line, not only left line, not only middle line, not only right line, any line, anyone coming, you have to wait. So light control roundabout, you give signal left very nicely and keep your speed 10 to 15 mile, between the 10 to 15 mile, and suddenly sometime light change, so make sure you can check also. And when you're taking exit, if you see 2 lane, you can use 1 lane, not together 2 lane. Excellent. Keep going straight. So another roundabout coming up. So before approaching the roundabout, what we'll do? Slow down. And this roundabout going straight. My previous learner using exactly same road and exactly same thing, and he passed. So this roundabout we are going straight.
Yeah.
Okay, and this roundabout third exit. Straight is third exit.
Now
Okay,
we're going straight, right?
Yes, straight. So using left lane, this is the third exit. So sometimes straight third exit, sometimes straight second exit, sometimes straight. Wait here. Light, not light control roundabout.
Okay.
This is the give way control roundabout. Anyone coming from right, you have to wait. Go now.
So that way.
Yeah, that way. Yeah. So anyone, any line coming from right side, you have to wait. After 12 o'clock, anyone coming, you have to wait. And before 12 o'clock, roundabout like a clock, before 12 o'clock, anyone coming, you don't need to stop. You can go. If you see someone far away, maybe you can increase your speed, you can go. Stay in the left lane, not 2 lane together. Not 2 lane together. This is the second exit, now signal left. And enter the roundabout. Excellent. And which lane you use after
Left
join the
left lane.
And signal continue or cancel? Cancel. And when you increase your speed gradually, not together.
Is it 40?
40 mile speed. So you're not going more than 40. When you go down, your speed gain automatically. So you need to keep 40 mile. If you keep 38 mile, more good.
Left?
Yeah. Now this roundabout called Charlie Bound roundabout. Charlie Bound roundabout. So this roundabout, turn left first exit. Carefully. So when you're turning left, which lane you use?
Left lane.
Left lane. And check left mirror beyond the left lane. Because of cyclist, motorbike. This is the light control roundabout or give you a control?
Light control.
No. Give you a
Give
control.
way, yeah.
Give you a control. So you need to stop. Lot of people fail this Charlie Bound roundabout. So very big roundabout. Lot of people coming very high speed.
Left.
Of course, because you are turning, stay in the left lane. How can go other exit? If you see the mark only left hand, you can't go
go
anywhere
left.
else. Again, we are approaching Charlie Brown roundabout. We are going straight ahead.
Straight.
Straight ahead, please. When you go straight ahead, which lane you use?
Left lane.
Left lane, not always left lane. Look at this.
Okay.
Left lane mark only left.
Okay.
So which lane you use?
Middle.
Middle lane. Middle lane. Middle lane, you can go right, you can go straight. Turning left, so left signal. And how much is with this road?
40.